Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to share video from WhatsApp to Instagram. The first thing you want to do is open WhatsApp. Then you are going to tap on the video that you would like to share on Instagram. Then at the bottom left hand corner you are going to see the share icon. You are going to tap on that. Then you are going to select share. And from here you are going to scroll along the various apps that you will see at the top, and you are going to select Instagram. After selecting Instagram, you will see 4 options depending on the length of the video. So you will see Reels, Post, Story, and Message. So you can select the particular option that you would like to use to share the video on Instagram. For example, let's say you want to select Post, so you'll tap on Post. Then you'll simply write your caption as you can see right here. Then you'll tap on OK, and you're going to tap on share, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.